Hey everyone, in this quick guide, we're showing how to fix Wi-Fi not working properly on the Asus VivoBook using the latest updated method. We know how frustrating it can be when the Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting or simply won't detect any networks. So let's walk through the proper steps to get everything working again. First, let's make sure airplane mode is turned off. Sometimes it activates without us noticing. Press F10 plus F2 or check the system tray to confirm it's disabled. Next, we'll right-click the Start menu. Go to Device Manager and expand Network Adapters. Find the wireless adapter, usually labeled Intel Wireless or Realtek. Then right-click and choose Update Driver, followed by Search automatically for drivers. If Windows can't find an update, we can visit Asus official support site. Enter our VivoBook model number and download the latest Wi-Fi and chipset drivers manually. Once installed, we should restart the laptop. With these steps done, Wi-Fi on the Asus VivoBook should be stable again and fully functional. This has been how to literally make things smart and simple and scam-free.